Yeah, I have no issues with it.
Okay.
You know, it does pretty well.
Is it? Where's your port?
It's on the driver's side.
Driver's side? Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Got it.
there's a whole bunch of room in here, you know.
Yeah.
So I made the box, you know, based off a calculator.
I do YouTube videos, JacobViral. So if you tell me I walk around and what all you have in here.
Basically, it's 4 ZvX 15s on 2 MD5Ks at 1 ohm each pair. The car's got a stock 200 amp alternator from factory. Okay. I got 150 amp hour worth of lithium back there, Yinglongs. I got 24 mids and highs, no tweeters on 2 Pioneer GM DH604s, all at 1 ohm. Yeah, I have no issues with it.
Okay.
You know, it does pretty well.
Is it? Where's your port?
It's on the driver's side.
Driver's side? Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Got it.
There's a whole bunch of room in here, you know.
Yeah.
So I made the box, you know, based off a calculator.
Yeah.
And then that's what it made me to do, and it plays very musically.
All right. Awesome. Appreciate the info, man.
Of course, man. That's what it's for.
Thank you for the demo. What's your name?
Like Iggy Azalea.
Okay, Jacob.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
I'm gonna try subscribe. What's your YouTube?
Sure.
JacobViral.
YouTube, JacobViral. Subscribe, yeah.
Appreciate it, bud.
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you.
Of course, man. Right here. There you pull it. Why is it again?
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, XplicitAudio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.